contractor in charge of the paint in the whole house sent me the final bill saying that it was over. And I was really shocked by how he left the space. Now I can speak about it. I feel a bit better, etc. And we found an agreement. And I think that I have to do a best of the 3 most impressive / hard to believe things that he left. Number 3, about the radiators. He painted them all. They are behind me. But actually, I found out that he forgot 1 radiator and that was left outside. I don't know why this one was forgotten. Number 2, I have 2 winners. One door has been half painted. And he left it on the side that is painted, so I could discover it a bit later, you know, not right away. Ta-da! This is the door! And the second door, which is the door of the bathroom right here. It is painted, but so dirty, like this is so dirty everywhere. So basically, it's not only that I have to paint it now, I also have to sand it to remove the paint, to be able to paint it again. Amazing! And this is a winner. We have this built-in furniture with some shelves inside. We cannot open that one. And the reason is that the plinth that was added by him is too high, so it's blocking the opening of the door. I don't know, I cannot understand this. Like, you have to check if you do something like this, no? Apparently not. Okay, great. I think the last one is my favorite, definitely. Like, having a furniture that we cannot open, I love it. This is amazing. I think that he had such a good idea because it's always gonna stay clean, actually. I was very surprised by the fact that he was here to paint the walls and the ceiling, but I could find paints on all the floors. And he told me that, yeah, it could happen. Yes, I understand, it could happen, but it happened everywhere. Anyway, I'm gonna be the one with some help to try to improve all of it. Please wish me good luck.